नमस्कार दोस्तों, प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपर्ट की इस नई वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन पाने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपर्ट को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। Today we are going to talk about flats in Kolkata near Metro DTC Southern Heights. This beautiful project with all modern amenities of you and your children healthy life with separated clubhouse in getting built up in approximately 20 acres of land where almost 75% of open area can be enjoyed. Here you will get also medical facilities, clinic, nearby grocery stores for your healthy life. In this flat, you are getting different living and dining area. In the bedroom, you are getting a cross ventilation where you are getting a French window which help you to get more light inside the bedroom. And other than you can see you can place your bed with two side tables and a four-door wardrobe space are also there. Now moving to the master bedroom. Master bedroom is very nicely decorated to give you a perfect idea how you can use this space. So this was the 940 square feet 2 BHK flat in the Southern Heights. Let me welcome you to the grand living area of a 3 BHK model flat in DTC Southern Heights. The flat area is 1370 square feet. From living area, we are moving toward the dining area along with kitchen and balcony. There your kids room also with two beds for your kids. And here you there is a three-door wardrobe space. In this room, you are getting a cross ventilation system. While showing you the luxurious amenities of the project, let me tell you, the project is located just about a kilometer away from Joka Metro. Many towers have been given possessions where people have already started living and many more yet to come. दोस्तों, उम्मीद है ये इंफॉर्मेशन आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होगी। आज इतनी ही, मिलते हैं अगली किसी वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अलविदा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपर्ट एंड बी विथ अस। थैंक यू।